here she is. This is the rear window and the seal that has been sitting in my closet for more years than I care to remember. There is stuff on the seal which I will clean off before I even attempt to install it. Don't know what it is. Maybe it's just that coating on the rubber seal, you know, that you get that kind of protects it. The window, of course, is extremely dusty. My dogs used to, well, they still, I want to say they like to hide behind it. So I'm upset my dogs now because they can't hide behind it anymore. But I don't feel any damage on this, as in, you know, grindy stuff, which, you know, was something that could have happened. So I will give this a damn good clean. I will take the seal off and give that a clean. And then we'll get out the string, nylon cord, and yeah, I guess wrap it around and see what we can do. Okay, got to clean up the rubber seal. This edge is the one that keeps all the water out of the car, and it has like a coating on it, and I guess that's the stuff to preserve the rubber or get the rubber out of the mold, whichever, I don't know. And what I'm using is this bleach white tire cleaner, because tires are rubber and this is rubber, and a stiff brush and a rag. I'm leaving it soaking in that bleach white. Then I give it a scrub with this brush to loosen up the crap. And then I grab the cloth and wipe it. And I'm going to do that all the way around and make sure it is absolutely spotless, because this seal, or this part, is going to go up against the paintwork, the bodywork, and form a seal. As far as I'm aware, you do not use sealant on these rear windows, as far as I'm aware, and there is no locking bead. So the way I believe that I did this in the past, and we'll find out, is you put it in from the outside with the seal on the glass, slot it in, and then pull the string. Now the string I've got is this lovely red cord, and that you put in here, and then when you're ready you pull it out. Now what I will do is I will make the two pieces of string, for want of a better word, I'll make them join at the bottom. The reason my logic says to do this is I'm going to be able to push the bottom in a little bit and then just pull it, and that should then bring the seal into the car. Great theory, huh? I wonder if it will work in practice. However, for the moment, I've got another hour or so cleaning, if not more, to get this nice and clean, ready for installation. And of course I will clean the glass before I put it in, just to make things nice, and yeah, it may well get goopy, I don't know. The only other option I think I might have would be to use WD-40 all the way around this, make it nice and slippery. My only concern then would be if I had it on the top, that it would stain the headlining. So I think I will avoid that if possible. We'll see. I do have a little, it's a very soft wire brush for those little stubborn bits, but you've got to be careful because of this is rubber, and you really don't want to damage the rubber. So it is soft. It's a very soft brass brush, and these are plastic. So that combination, that and a good old toothbrush, you know, the weapons of your choice. Those are what I choose. I did try 409 on it, which is a cleaner, but not as good as this bleach white this stuff, which I think I showed you just now, but this good stuff for cleaning tyres. And I do actually like that on tyres as well, just to mention it, because it doesn't make it shiny and yucky. I hate shiny tyres, they just don't look right. A matte rubber tyre, especially as mine are white walls. Right, onward and upward. Just to show you what I'm talking about with this crap. You see, it's some kind of rubber preservative. It's yucky. So I've got to get all of that off, so I make sure I get a good seal. I've just done that edge over there. Sorry, that edge over there. That's looking pretty good. Going to give this another soaking, get the brush on it, and continue. Right, hopefully you can see this clearly enough. This is now clean and ready to rock and roll. However, I've still got the rest of the seal to do. This is just a section that I've done, and looking pretty good. I might try and get in there a little bit more, perhaps with a cotton bud or something to clean that out. But my biggest concern was this edge, making sure that this would fit up against the paintwork nicely. So I've still got the curvy bits to do, both ends, and then give it a thorough cleaning. And you see, I still haven't got anywhere near this end yet. It's a long, laborious task, but it's got to be done. Oh, just in case you were thinking that was all you had to clean, no, you have to clean down in this groove here. You can see now the crap that I've managed to pull out. I just used a little, I soaked it, and then I got my little flat blade screwdriver, and I'm now in the process of cleaning it out, and I will then clean out the rest of it with a cotton bud. So the reason I'm being so anal about this is, yes, I don't want to leak, but also I've got to now fit this. This is the seal that is going to go over the material and the bodywork. So you've got to make sure that this is nice and clean in here. Now, I'm going to clean this out. It'll take me, again, it's still going to take me a while. And then I want to make sure it's dry before I even attempt to put it in the car. So yes, those of you that are expecting it today, which is Saturday, sorry, you're probably not going to see this video until Sunday. Okay, now, to those of you that are saying, oh, well, you're putting a lot of attention into this and it doesn't really matter, you shouldn't be restoring a car. You might as well go away. I have got a stick in here and a stick in here. I'm cleaning a section at a time so I know where I've started and where I've finished. And I've got right down in here in this groove to clean out everything and make this as pristine as possible. Now I'll move on and do that section. And as you can see, there's a lot of crap I've already pulled out. So, you know, it's a long-winded job. Let me get on with it, and then we can get on with fitting it. I won't interrupt you anymore with cleaning until it's done, and then we'll move on to fitting. Right, there is the glass. I've given it a damn good clean up. I have the seal hanging up at the moment, just to see if we can get all the moisture out of it, giving it a good shake. In order to get this glass clean, I tried various glass cleaners and it wasn't doing well. There was kind of like a film on the glass through the years and its life and stuff. So in the end, I used this G3. It's for polishing the body, you know, get rid of all those minor scratches. It seems to have got it pretty darn good. Considering this glass is 1964, I'm not going to complain at that. Now, time to put the seal on and fit it. Okay, clean screen, seal. Note it has a shape, so you have to make sure you get it the right. I'm going to put a few dabs of goopy goop on the inside. I just want it held in position while I'm fucking around with it. It's not to seal it, it's just literally to hold it in place. So I'll perhaps do, I don't know, 4 along there, 1 at each end and 4 along here. Let's see how it goes. Of course, I haven't even got the straight. You see damaged thumbs? Yeah. Oh, I did manage to undo that. I didn't think I was going to be able to. Right, let's start with the... Just a little squirt. Like me, a little squirt. And then put it on. Now, I think what I'm going to do is fit the seal. Yeah, change of plan here. Going to fit the seal and then go around and give it a little squirt of glue. Because that is probably going to be the easiest solution. And those of you that are watching saying, "Wow, you already had that on there." Yeah, I did. And that was so I could clean it up properly. It's a lot easier when it's on the glass. Sorry, you're probably not getting a very good view of this, but that's just too fucking bad. It's good that this is tight. Less chance of a leak. No chance of a leak? Let's not be silly. Tell you what, I'm fighting this bugger. Come on, baby. Light my fire. As always, there we go, there we go. That's it. Tell you what, I don't think it really needs much to hold it in position. Wow. That is, come on, get on there. Get on, boy. No. There we go. Come on. Get on there. There we go. All right, that's it. We're getting there now. Right, so I've got that glue at that end. Make sure it's fitted. Yeah, you see it's not quite on here. That's it. And not quite on there. It's okay. Just got to go fiddly diddly, huh? Right. Let me. Bit of glue in there. And that's why I like using this goop, because I can clean off the excess. Yeah. Comes off your skin too. Right, that's that. And one in here. Yes, I know, I just cleaned the glass and I'm making a mess of it. Sometimes you have to, don't you, huh? Now, do you have to do this? Nope. You do what you want and whatever works for you. I do what I think works. And some of you out there are probably screaming, but quite frankly, Scarlett, I don't give a damn. Now, I'm just gonna let this set now for a little while. Not sure if I'm going to let that set overnight or just for a while. You'll have to wait and see. Well, you won't care. Right, I've put the cord in now. My thought, hopefully I'm not wrong, who knows, is that I'll pick up the rear window, rest it down on the bodywork, and then I've got these to pull, which will pull this seal. Now, I don't know if I can demonstrate this, I'll try. So when you pull on it, you see how it brings the seal up? That's the theory. We'll see if it works in practice. As far as I'm aware, as I mentioned earlier, I believe this is the method used to install it into the car. We will find out. I've got to let this glue set, so that's going to be a little while for me, but not long for you, because the next thing you will see is not me cleaning up the excess glue, but you will see me offering it up to the car and crying if it breaks. This is where you really need to call a friend so that they can just apply some slight pressure on the outside of the glass. Not crazy pressure. You don't want that, because if they go crazy, you know, if you've got some big AF jerk, you know, and the Arnold Schwarzenegger, that's not going to be good. You know, it's I'll be back is not what you want. You want some gentle, preferably something like a naked woman with her breasts, you know, because that would really, no, that would put me off. So I better not get the wife to do it, because she would put me off. Whoa, damn. No, you will never see my wife. She does not want to be on video. You might hear her voice occasionally if you're really lucky. But no, sorry guys, not going to happen. Right, let's get it in the car. All right. I don't know how much of this is going to work. Let's see if we can get this rear window in, huh? Holy moly, this is the bum twitcher. Try that again. The seal just split. Try it from the other way. Oh, fuck yeah. It's in. Ah. Oh. Right. Now all I've got to do is put the chrome strip on. Oh, fuck. Right. Time to end this video. Get out in that garage and do some fucking shit. Wow. All right. I don't know how much of this is going to work. Let's see if we can get this rear window in, huh? Holy moly! This is the bum twitcher. Let's try that again. the seal just split. Try it from the other way. Oh, fuck yeah. It's in. Right, now all I've got to do is put the chrome strip on. Oh, fuck. Right, time to end this video. Get out in that garage and do some fucking shit.